Welcome to the Creating Competencies Demo. First, log in to your Desire2Learn account and go into your course. In the Extra Class Tools widget on the bottom right hand side of your course, click on the Competencies link. Notice that you have the option to view your current competency list and the option to create new competencies. If you don't, go into Settings and click Standard View. Click on the New icon, then the Competency link. In the Name field, type in the name for your competency. For example, crossing a city street. In the Status drop-down box, notice that there are 4 choices: Draft, In Review, Approved, Archived. Choose Draft if you want to make changes to your competency. Choose Approved when you are ready to make it available to your students. Beware of Archived, as this choice will never allow you to see or alter the competency again. For now, I'll choose Draft. In the description box, type a description for the competency. For example, press the button, wait for walk signal, look both ways, walk across. Click Save. Next, click on Competency Structure and then the Edit Structure tab. Click Add Child link to expand it, and then click on the New Learning Objective link to add learning objectives to your competency. In the Name field, type in a name for the learning objective. For example, type press signal button. In the description box, type a description of the learning objective. For example, cover different types of signals, including those for the blind. Under Enforced Assessment Method, choose No. If you choose Yes, then you can only meet activities using the check boxes, and you will have to delete this to change it. I will say No. Under Ready for Evaluation, choose Yes. This leaves each activity ready when you are ready to change the competency from Draft to Approved. Click the Add button. Repeat this process until you have created all of the learning objectives for this competency. When you are finished, click on one of the new learning objectives. Next, click on Learning Objective Structure and then the Edit Structure tab. Click the Add Child link and then click on the red Incorporate Activities link. The choices shown are restricted if you choose the Enforce Assessment Method options. I didn't choose that, so I have all the choices available to me. Next, select an activity to create. I will choose Manual Assessment Activity. Fill in the information required. Name, signal, button, activity. Select the rubric and criteria for passing the activity. If you don't have any rubrics, you will first need to create one. If you need help creating a rubric, please visit the Creating a Rubric demo. Then click the Add button. Repeat this process for each learning objective in the competency. To grade the competency, click on the Competency List option. Expand your competency structure. Click on the competency and change the status to approved. And click Save. Click on Competency Results icon and the completed column will show you who has completed this entire competency. You can click on a name to see what parts of the competency this person has completed. If you believe the person is competent, you can manually mark this competency complete for them by checking the box next to their name and clicking on the check mark at the top or bottom of the column. Note that when you manually, there is a red asterisk next to the check mark to show that it was manually changed. You have now successfully created a competency. You can now unlock content or assessments, etc., based on the activity or competency having been completed using the Restrictions tab in the tool. For example, you can have a news item appear for the student with a congratulations and for you with the student's name once the competency has been achieved. As of right now, there is not an export feature on competencies, but this is in development.